In the vast tapestry of culinary delights, there's one vegetable that often takes a backseat, yet its history and health benefits are nothing short of remarkable. Welcome to the fascinating world of cabbage. In fields of green, a humble sight, stands cabbage tall, bathed in sunlight. Its leaves unfurl, a verdant crown, a vegetable treasure, widely renowned. Please watch my video to the end for delicious recipe. Please subscribe. Thank you. Cabbage, believed to have originated in the Mediterranean region, has been cultivated for over 4,000 years. Its versatility and resilience have made it a staple in cuisines around the globe, with evidence of its existence dating back to ancient Greek and Roman times. It was prized not just for its culinary uses but also for its medicinal properties. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all recognized the healing powers of this versatile vegetable. Cabbage played an important ceremonial role in Egyptian banquets or feasts, being the first food item consumed as a sign of reverence. The ancient Ionians, an ancient Greek tribe, were said to swear their most solemn oaths on a cabbage stalk, highlighting the vegetable's sacred status in their culture. Ancient Greeks knew about the cabbage of immortality, is real, and it grows in the sacred gardens of the goddess Demeter herself. Only the pure of heart and courageous of spirit can find it. From the Middle East, cultivation then spread both eastward into Asia and westward into Europe. Over thousands of years, diversifying into the many cabbage varieties we know today through selective breeding by humans in different regions. Cabbage played an important role throughout history, providing essential nutrients during times of scarcity and famine. In the Middle Ages, cabbage was nicknamed the poor man's food because it was affordable and easy to grow, even in harsh climates. Rich in nutrients, a healthful boon, cabbage shines beneath the moon. With vitamins, it's densely packed, a treasure trove, a culinary act. From ancient times to present day, cabbage has held its noble sway. In soups and stews, it takes its place, adding flavor and a touch of grace. From its origins in the Mediterranean region, cabbage spread far and wide, becoming a staple in cuisines across Europe, Asia, and the Americas. Each culture put its own spin on cabbage dishes, from Korean kimchi to German sauerkraut to American coleslaw. This humble vegetable has truly become a global culinary ambassador. Here are the main varieties of cabbage: green cabbage, red, Savoy, Napa, and bok choy cabbage. Beyond its rich history, cabbage boasts an impressive array of health benefits that have been celebrated for centuries. Nutritional powerhouse. Cabbage may be low in calories, but it packs a mighty nutritional punch. It's an excellent source of vitamins C and K, as well as fiber and antioxidants. But that's not all. Cabbage also contains compounds like sulforaphane and indole-3-carbonyl, which have been studied for their potential cancer-fighting properties. Health benefits galore. Studies have linked regular cabbage consumption to a reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Boosting heart health. The fiber, potassium, and vitamin C in cabbage can help lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Fighting inflammation. The antioxidants in cabbage, such as vitamin C and polyphenols, can help combat inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic diseases. Supporting digestive health. The fiber in cabbage promotes healthy digestion and can help prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Potential cancer prevention. Compounds like sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol in cabbage have been studied for their potential to inhibit the growth of certain types of cancer cells. With every crunch, a burst of taste, in salads, it's a star embraced. Its layers hold a story deep, of history, health, and secrets to keep. Whether enjoyed raw in salads, sautéed in stir-fries, or fermented into tangy sauerkraut. There are countless ways to incorporate cabbage into your culinary repertoire. Recipe: stir-fried cabbage with tofu. Ingredients: 1 small head of cabbage, thinly sliced 200 grams firm tofu, pressed and cubed, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon ginger, minced, 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 green onions, chopped, salt and pepper to taste, sesame seeds for garnish, optional. Instructions: prepare the tofu, press the tofu to remove excess water. To do this, wrap the tofu block in a clean kitchen towel or paper towels and place something heavy on top, like a cast iron skillet or a few cans. Let it sit for about 15–20 minutes. Once pressed, cut the tofu into small cubes. Prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice vinegar. Stir fry. Heat olive oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and ginger to the skillet and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add the tofu cubes to the skillet and stir-fry for 5–7 minutes, or until golden brown on all sides. Add the sliced cabbage to the skillet and cook for an additional 5–7 minutes, or until the cabbage is tender but still slightly crisp. Pour the prepared sauce over the tofu and cabbage mixture. Stir well to coat evenly. Cook for another 2–3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Serve. Transfer the stir-fried cabbage and tofu to a serving dish. Garnish with chopped green onions, sesame seeds. Serve hot as a nutritious main dish or as a side dish alongside brown rice or quinoa. Enjoy your healthy and flavorful stir-fried cabbage with tofu. Let us honor this leafy king, with every slice and every fling. In kitchens far and gardens near, cabbage reigns, without a fear. At farmers markets, you can find a cabbage purple gem. Now it is time for some cabbage jokes. Why did the cabbage head win the race? Because it was rolling ahead of its lettuce competitors? What's a cabbage's favorite exercise? Crunches, because it is very crunchy. What is green and red cabbage head's favorite dance? Jump, rock and roll and spin. How does a cabbage flirt? It rolls his head around. Why did the red cabbage blush? Because it saw the green sauerkraut giving it the pickle-eyed look. Why did the cabbage cross the road? To get to the other side and make coleslaw fast. Why are the sauerkraut and coleslaw always happy? We relish the fact that we're both shredded. Cabbage, sauerkraut. Why is your name not a sour cabbage? Sauerkraut, because I was made in Germany. Coleslaw asked sauerkraut, why are you so sour? Sauerkraut, because I was made with a zest for life. Stay happy and healthy. I will see you in my next nutritious episode. Here's to cabbage, bold and true, in gardens green and markets blue. A vegetable gem, we celebrate, in poetry, its glory, we narrate. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.